When you search for brake line flaring tools, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Mastercool Hydraulic Tool. First up is the Mastercool 72485 PRC Universal Hydraulic Flaring Tool. The price is on the higher side at $308.94, but it caught my attention because it's known for its reliability, especially among professional mechanics. If you want precision and ease of use for various flaring jobs, this is worth a serious look. It creates 7 flare types, including 45 degrees double flares and ISO bubble flares, making it suitable for a range of applications from brake lines to GM transmission lines. The high-strength steel dies ensure consistent flaring without metal fatigue, a crucial feature for anyone looking to avoid leaks. Now, I did see some complaints about its price and weight. It's a bit bulky at 12 pounds. But here's the thing, if you're a professional or a serious DIYer, the investment pays off in the efficiency and precision you gain. This is perfect for you if you're a professional mechanic or someone who frequently works with brake lines. Skip this one if you're just doing occasional DIY projects and want something more budget-friendly. It's definitely a premium tool worth considering for serious work. Product number 2, Capri Tools Flaring Tool. Next is the Capri Tools 316-in double flaring tool priced at $46.99. This caught my eye because of its compact size and ease of use. If you want something that gets the job done quickly without hassle, this is worth a serious look. This flaring tool creates high-quality 45-degree double flares specifically for 316-in tubing, which is perfect for most brake lines. What I really liked is that it's portable, allowing you to create flares both on and off the vehicle, even in tight spots. It's designed to work flawlessly with non-stainless steel, nickel, and copper tubing, and you only need a couple of wrenches to operate it. However, some reviews mention that it struggles with larger tubing sizes. Now, for those working exclusively with thicker materials, this might not be the best fit. But for those who typically deal with 316-in lines, it's a solid, reliable choice. This tool is perfect for DIYers or casual mechanics who need a compact tool for brake line work. Skip this one if you often work with larger tubing sizes or require a more versatile flaring tool. It's a great value for its price. Product number 3, DPTOOL Flaring Toolkit. Coming in at number 3 is the DPTOOL Brake Line Flaring Toolkit, priced at $69.99. What caught my attention here is its versatility, as it can create both single and double flares. If you need a multifunctional tool for various tubing diameters, this is worth a serious look. The tool is designed for high accuracy, ensuring that you won't face leaks in your brake lines. The fact that it needs to be used with a bench vise may seem like a drawback, but it actually provides stability, allowing for more precise flares. However, some users pointed out that it may take a bit of practice to get the hang of using it correctly. But honestly, once you do, the results are worth it. It's not a deal breaker, especially for those willing to learn. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or mechanics who want a reliable flaring tool for various applications. Skip this if you need a quick, on-the-go solution, as it requires a setup with a vise. The value for money is solid considering its capabilities. Product number 4, Clatoon Flaring Toolkit. Next up, we have the Clatoon Brake Line Double and Single Flaring Toolkit, which is priced at just $19.49. I was surprised by how affordable this was, especially considering the features. If you're on a budget but still want a decent flaring tool, this one is worth a serious look. The kit includes a flaring bar, tubing cutter, and multiple adapters for different tubing sizes. The heavy-duty design of the flaring bar and yoke means it can handle various materials like copper and aluminum. What I found particularly impressive is how easy it is to operate. The T-handle lever reduces fatigue, allowing you to create flares without too much effort. However, some users mention that it can struggle with tougher materials, which is something to keep in mind. But let's be real, if you're just doing basic flaring tasks, it gets the job done effectively. This is perfect for beginners or casual users who need a reliable tool without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're a professional needing something heavy-duty. For the price, it's a great entry-level choice. Product number 5, Thorstone Flaring Tool Kit. Finally, we have the Thorstone Double and Single Flaring Tool Kit at $21.97. This caught my eye because of the number of adapters it includes. If you want a versatile tool that can work on various tubing types, this is worth a serious look. The Thorstone kit offers 5 sizes of adapters, making it suitable for a range of materials including copper, aluminum, brass, and soft steel. The construction is solid, with heat-treated steel ensuring durability. Plus, the complete set comes with a tube cutter and a blow-molded case for easy storage, which is a nice bonus. That said, some reviews noted that it may not perform well on harder materials like steel or iron. Now, for most DIY projects or automotive work, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker as it excels with softer tubing. This is perfect for hobbyists or DIYers who want an all-in-one flaring tool set. Skip this if you frequently work with hard materials that require something more specialized. It's a solid value for what you get. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Master Cool for professional use, the Capri tools for compact needs, the versatile DPTOOL, the budget-friendly Clatoon, and the all-in-one Thorstone. Each of these tools has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose the one that fits your specific needs best. Happy flaring!